Hey, this is Ray at the Tower e-bike repair shop. Today we're going to be talking about e-bike controllers. We have a few of them here on our table. We're going to discuss the differences, how they work, and where you might find them on the bike. So the first version we're going to go to is the standard battery style mounted controller. There's actually a circuit board in here with a bunch of MOSFETs. You slide the battery on there. It takes controller input. It allows you to turn the bike on and off with the screen. It allows you to throttle, and then there's also a pedal assist sensor. It also has light outputs for lights, and then it has the primary output for the motor. So this controller takes the power from the battery and the input from the user and spits out power to the motor. That's basic nuts and bolts of how a controller works. They come in various shapes and sizes, like I mentioned. This is the style that you mount a battery onto. That's what we use on the Tower electric bike here behind me. We also have a box style controller. This is very common with bikes that hide batteries inside the frame. So this controller here for your battery, your 3-phase, your hall sensors, your user input like your throttle and your pedal assist, and a screen input, and all that would be connected to this wiring harness, and this wiring harness would be connected to the battery and the motor, and take all of that user input and put it to power to the rear wheel. This is generally used for a hub motor. So this is the type of controller you would see in like a folding bike or any bike with an internal frame wiring and or internally framed batteries. Here we have a Bafang hub mid-drive controller. So this is actually the side of the Bafang mid-drive, and this unbolts and has all the connections on the inside from the mid-drive motor itself, and then it has a harness that breaks out to the battery and several sensors and user input. This particular controller you'd find in the mid-drive motor itself. It'd be part of the mid-drive. It wouldn't be a separately mounted thing, and nothing but the mid-drive is connected to this. This is kind of unique as far as controllers go. Generally speaking, you'd have like these outboard controllers, but mid-drives all have it built in as part of the motor. So that is a little bit about controllers, and this is Ray at the Tower e-bike repair shop.